Is it possible to achieve a climate-neutral Europe with more ocean energy? Today, Europe has a total installed offshore wind capacity of 28 gigawatts and plans to increase it to 300 gigawatts by 2050. An ambitious goal that will help produce 30% of Europe's electricity demand. But how do we get there? Europe's path to decarbonization includes more financial investments, strengthening the supply chain, and continuous innovation. And MAREWIND can be part of the solution. MAREWIND is an EU-funded project designed to work towards a net-zero Europe by helping build the next generation of large offshore wind energy power generators. By enhancing the material's durability, operation and maintenance costs, weather protection properties and recyclability, MAREWIND prolongs their performance and life cycle. To preserve that, MAREWIND creates a novel monitoring system to help detect anomalies in turbine performance and structural health. In this way, MAREWIND plays an important role in innovating wind farms' performance and the resources associated with them. These improvements will significantly reduce the environmental impact, CO2 emissions, and the cost of the wind energy making. For a cleaner Europe and cheaper electricity. Join us on our journey at www.marewind.eu.